Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to change your primary email on LinkedIn. So the first thing you will have to do is manage your email address, and it's pretty simple. So if you're on desktop, it's pretty simple. You will have to go to the me icon in the top corner of your LinkedIn homepage and then settings and privacy. Once you have located that, you will have to sign in and then you will have to click on the email addresses and under account access. You will have to add the email address for security purposes, so you'll be prompted a verification. It's gonna give you a verification in your address, basically your email address, and then you enter the new email address once it's actually already confirmed that it's you. And then from the password in the text box, you click submit. Then you can log into your email account with the prompts in the email to validate your new address. It's just that simple. So, of course, if you like to make your new address your primary, you just make it primary by clicking to the Make Primary button right next to the email address. You can also remove the old one if you want to. And then there, you have changed your email and your primary email on your LinkedIn. And it's just that simple. If this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.